This is the Cosmopolitan Hotel in the historic part of San Diego, and they have a restaurant as well as rooms. Waking up in the historic Cosmopolitan Hotel, 7 a.m. So this is room 8. I must say, it feels like going into, well, it isn't an historic home, and well, it's like going into a stately home. And look at this bathroom. Wednesday morning, the rain has stopped, sun's out. It's a real California feeling around this historic part of San Diego. Love the smell of the gum trees. I'm just going to have a quick look around this part in the daytime so that I can say we've done it, and then I'm going to get the train to another part of town, the Gaslight part. So we'll just see what this is about here first. It's a bit like a theme park, if I'm honest. Everything's a shop. Everything is sort of ye oldie. Still quite nice though, in the warm November sunshine. Yeah, so this is the sort of stuff we're talking about. Nepalese and Tibetan imports. Not quite sure what that's got to do with anything. Very interesting. Have a quick look around downtown San Diego today. Hope you find it interesting. Gaslamp Quarter, the touristy part of town. So what better to do than join in? There's about 12 guys with leaf blowers over there. If you think you can hear bees, that's what that is. I don't know what this lot is over here. There's a hell of a lot of concrete. Okay. Okay, there's nowhere to... I guess the grass is probably not meant for standing on. The Convention Center of San Diego. If you like concrete, you love that. Love the way the train tracks run right through the middle of everything. Okay. So what have we got here? Well, so far I haven't seen any gas lamps or any old quarters, so maybe we need to just walk a bit further. 5th and K Street. This is 6th Street, San Diego. I'm just going to walk the whole length of this street to see exactly what is so interesting about this part of town. Okay. This is 6th Avenue. Okay. Well, this is 6th Avenue, and so far I haven't seen the slightest thing of any interest. 6th Avenue in the Gaslight District. The most interesting thing I've seen so far is a hardware shop. Okay, well, we've had some coffee. Hopefully that's going to have a good effect. Here's the comedy store here. Gaslamp and free show, happy hour. So this is known as the Double Deuce. All sorts of stuff, karaoke. I don't think I've got the outfit for that. So this is a cross street between 5th and 6th. The Laugh Factory, be a star. The Tipsy Crow. I think I get it now. This is basically a sort of nightclub. Nightclub boozing, going nuts area. I don't know what we've got here. But if you like cactus, this is the place for you. All in pots on the street. This is the Granger Hotel. The 7-Eleven block opposite. The Blue Line train runs across town. 4th Street, a glorious old building, now derelict. Graffiti on all the windows. This is the junction of Broadway and 4th in San Diego. Hot and sunny. despite it being a November. Interesting place. You're probably wondering why I'm walking around with my pack on. Well, the Amtrak station wanted $20 to leave a small bit of luggage at the station, and I figured I could spend $20 in another way. This is 3rd Avenue. Broadway and 2nd. The new Spreckles. I don't know what that is. Could be anything. We've got room for another. We've got room for one more. Balboa Theatre. This is the Toxica Sports Cantina. $4 and $5 beer. Getting a bit on the hot side here, coming up to lunchtime. And the sun is straight up this street. And have a little walk along the edge of the railway line to see if I can get back to the Amtrak station. This is very lovely indeed. Admittedly, we are in the Hilton end of town, the exhibition conference centre, etc. It's very nice though. I heard she sang a good song. I heard she had a style. And so I came to see her, to listen for a while. It's supposed to be gold. Children's park, paddling area. I've got this lot organised really nicely. Strumming my pain with a finger, singing my life with the words, killing me softly with her song, killing me softly. Well, here I am back at the Amtrak Santa Fe ticket office and platform that will take me all the way to Los Angeles. But this afternoon at 1 o'clock. I haven't seen public seating like this since I was in Spain. So this is the Santa Fe train station in San Diego. It's the sort of grand station, really. And this is the train station that's going to take me north up to Los Angeles and all other points north. Well, thanks very much for watching, everyone. Hope you found that reasonably interesting. Just a very quick look around downtown San Diego, especially the Gaslight region. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, that'd be good, thank you. You'll be able to see what else I get up to on my travels. Thanks again for watching.